Okay guys and girls, welcome back. Let's talk about green figures. So this is week number 2. Now before we go there to do some updates, just don't forget that everything what I'm saying in this video is only my personal opinion. What's mean, do not put more money you can afford to lose. This is crypto and you can lose everything. This video is for entertainment and education purposes only. If you never watch any of my video, more you give, more you receive, go and watch it. It's mean the world to me. If you're in the UK and if you want the best tax accounting, let me know. All right, in the DM in Telegram. Okay, so let's talk about green figures. So this bad boy launched last week. Over 115,000 bucks were invested while I'm doing this video. Probably when you watch this video in the next 12 hours will be probably a little bit more. We have over 355 people invested. That's not a lot at all. So how this is working is, this is on Binance Chain, it's a BUSD. You come here, you approve, and then you invest. Now remember, minimum is 30 bucks. Use my link if you want. If not, also if you use anybody link, here you will have an option if you want to upgrade your upline. So basically, if you want to add my my address, will be great. If not, that's still okay. Now, how much we can earn from this one? So last week it was exceptional week. It was the first week and they did 5.5% for the week. Don't forget, this is forex trading. So what this guy is doing is they taking the money and they put for the trader. It's a trader who is doing trading. Now you can go and follow the live trades right there and you will see how much money they make right here. If you go to the website, you will see live trades. When you press there, you're going to bring you right here. Now when you come here, you will see this is on my Forex Book and you will see everything what they're doing every hour. Now you will see there are so many open trades and most of them are in minus. How they're going to be completed in the next 1 or 2, 3 days, we're going to find out together. If you go here on history, they did 910 trades in the last week, I believe, and probably there are maybe 100 before that. So let's say around 700-800 for the last week, what is crazy. And the most important, wherever they do, is at the end of the month to have more green winning days than losing days. Now, so I said they did 5.5% last week. Now remember, this is Ponzi free. So basically, how much they're going to earn, that's how much we're going to make. Simple as that. 20% from the profit taking the team and 80% is for ourselves. Okay, so that's fair point. Now don't expect will be like this every single week. I will be surprised if it's like this every single week. Some week will be 1%, some week will be a couple of percent, but overall I hope will be around 4-5% a week, even 3-4%. That's making around 0.5-0.7% a day on your stables. That's great. If you want to take your money out, okay, you can go and withdraw here. Once you deposit, you're going to have option to withdraw. Make sure you understand that you need to wait 28 days once you request the withdraw. I believe at the moment it's 28 days, but maybe probably will be much faster in the future. We will see how the thing's going to go. Okay, so that's about it. Just a short updates. Well done to the team for the first week. I wish them and I hope they're going to sustain for a long time and we're going to make some money for a long time. Again, only risk capital. This is crypto and it's very risky. Doesn't matter who is a trader, doesn't matter what they're doing, it's risky. Again, thank you so much for watching. Link is in the description. Let me know if you have any question or find me in my Telegram group or just go and join their Telegram group and ask them everything you want. Again, thank you. Have a wonderful week. Till the next one. I do I and you do you. Goodbye.